Hello folks, in today's video I show you how to hard reset Motorola Moto G series. We will perform the factory reset from recovery mode. Press and hold the power and volume down button to restart the phone. The factory data reset process removes the pattern, PIN, or password, but it does not delete the Google account from your phone. When the phone restarts, you need to quickly press the power and volume up buttons. Now press volume down to enter recovery mode. When you see the logo, while pressing the power button, short press volume up. Use volume buttons to navigate to wipe data factory reset. And press power button. Next, select Factory Data Reset and press Power button. When the reset process is complete, select Reboot System Now to restart the phone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.